Load up your buggy like a boss and hit the off-road scene with zero stress, thanks to this slick hydraulic platform. Step into the vintage elegance of the 19th century, blended with the latest tech and ultra-light design. It's a blast. The Wingboard, ditching wakeboards for sky-high awesomeness. With S-Tetro at work, every step in the staircase gets a thorough cleaning. Aqua Bowl is your front row ticket to the underwater world, where exploration meets breathtaking views. The Braun Ability Chair Topper expands your mobility by bringing your chair right to you at the push of a button. Let's face it, stealing a bike parked in midair is no easy feat. Talk about a genius system. Picture this, no more hauling stuff by hand. The Agio Fast Forwards tech has you covered. What you see before you is now the world's largest movable bridge, and it protects nearly 2 million residents from storm surges. With the spin of a wheel, Geo Orbital will give your bike a fresh electric upgrade. It's shockingly impressive. Prepare to be amazed by this musical masterpiece made from PVC pipes. Imagine a future where drones take flight to build homes. I can't wait. Thumbs up if you can't either. Propelled by a powerful 3,000-watt motor, the Ripple is poised to revolutionize your snowboarding adventure. The world's first kinetic chess set, priced at $4,999, offers an experience I'm sure you'd be itching to try. This heat-sensitive car paint will make your ride impossible to look away from, especially in the rain. Level up your winter runs with Atlas Run snowshoes. And who knows, maybe soon we'll be gliding on water with their advanced version. Discover a home on wheels that transforms into a 25-foot yacht and cruises effortlessly at 13 knots. It's the ultimate dream for both land and sea. The Toyota Research Institute is revolutionizing robotics, creating machines that can take over routine tasks to provide people with greater freedom. Enjoy your own personal big screen anytime, anywhere, just by slipping on a pair of glasses. Keeping the surprises coming, aren't we? Learn to master the moto drift with ease using the skid bike, a motorcycle with training wheels to guide you from beginner to pro. Right. Witness the transportation of 184-foot wind turbine blades thanks to an expandable telescopic trailer. An engineering marvel. Think you know how to conserve space? Wait till you see the technology that conceals a pool underground. Meet the device that eliminates all your excuses for skipping a workout. How about a mix of water fun and a little workout with Aqua Skipper?